Welcome to 2414 Fulton Street. This is a 6-room, middle-level, full-floor flat that can be used anywhere from a 4 or less up to 6 bedrooms, depending on how you want to configure it. The unit has an entry staircase that comes to a central landing, and the landing opens up to all rooms. I'll just go through room by room. In the front here you have room number 1, and it features a bay window. You're directly across from Golden Gate Park, and you have an idyllic little path into the park. You also have some really easy street parking. This unit has all double pane windows, noise reduction. You do get a little street noise in the front. There's recessed lighting throughout the flat. So a nice sized front room. It does not have a closet. And you have a heater, which is your own, so you have your own heating system. Room number 2 is nice and spacious, and it also has the bay window looking out onto the park. 2 side windows, which do not open. There's a double door here that would open up to room number 3 that you can leave open or shut. And the owner is willing to drywall one side of that if that works for you. This is just a closet that the former tenant left behind that can stay or go. Room number 3 has French doors that open up to it, and the other side of the double door. And it's a nice spacious room. It also has another one of these closets that is just left behind from the last group that lived here, and they can take that away, or you can have it, whatever is easier. I think this is best as the living room if you're going to use it as a 5-bedroom with a living room. And it opens up to an exclusive outdoor patio. And a nice verdant setting out here on this patio. There's a storage space here at the top of the stairs. The flat includes a Whirlpool washer and dryer, and its nice laundry closet here. So you can enjoy doing laundry right in your own place. And there's 2 full baths. This one is sort of a double bath. There's a vanity with a black granite countertop, a shower over tub, and then a stall shower. Nice flooring. The kitchen is great, and it has all Bosch appliances. You have a side-by-side Bosch refrigerator with the beverage service, granite counters with a granite backsplash, a Bosch electric range with hood, double sinks featuring a garbage disposal and a retractable faucet, and a Bosch dishwasher. A nice amount of cabinets of an off-white cream color. And I've seen it with an island and a little seating area or bar here that people enjoy. One group that lived here used this room as the living room, but we'll call this room number 4. There's a window looking out on the neighbor's garden. Some built-in lighting. And room number 4 also goes to the same patio that we were with from room number 3. So you have access to that. Room number 5 is bigger, and it has a bay window looking more towards the rear of the property. Another one of these side windows, which are kind of with the wires in it, they don't open. Just so you know, room number 5, although it has recessed lighting that works, it turns on by a switch in room number 4. So the answer is to just remove the bulbs from here, and that's how we're going to lease it. You can put them in there, but the switch doesn't work in the room. And here there's an original master suite that's been modified so it can work as room number 6, and the bath can be a hall bath, or you can keep it as just the master suite. You would close this door and you would just have a master suite. It's got a bath with another black granite vanity and a soaking tub of sorts, some big glass doors, and a large room. There's another door here, so you have options with this hallway. And it has side windows, and all 5 windows are operable. And this room has a view of the ocean. We're in headlands, a peek of the tip of the Golden Gate Bridge. There's just a rear door here that doesn't really go anywhere affecting this apartment. If you're interested in leasing 2414 Fulton Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. And the apartment does come with a fairly large storage room in the garage included in the price. Have a great day.